Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel The Digital Millionaire Club. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of digital marketing and sharing how you can earn money through it. So, let's get started. In today's digital era, the world of marketing has undergone a significant transformation. Traditional methods of advertising and promotion are being replaced by more dynamic and interactive strategies, giving rise to digital marketing. But what exactly is digital marketing, and how can one earn money through it? Let's delve into this fascinating realm. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing refers to the use of digital channels such as websites, search engines, social media platforms, email, and mobile apps to promote products, services, or brands. Unlike traditional marketing, which relies on offline channels like print media, television, and radio, digital marketing leverages the power of the internet to reach a global audience in a cost-effective and measurable way. Components of digital marketing. There are various components within digital marketing, each serving a unique purpose and offering different opportunities to connect with potential customers. Some of the key components include search engine optimization, SEO, optimizing websites to rank higher on search engine results pages, SERPs, and drive organic traffic. Pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, running paid ads on search engines like Google or social media platforms like Facebook to drive targeted traffic and generate leads or sales. Social media marketing, utilizing social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to engage with audiences, build brand awareness, and promote products or services. Email marketing, sending personalized and targeted emails to subscribers or customers to nurture relationships, promote offers, and drive conversions. Content marketing, creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience, ultimately driving profitable customer actions. How to earn money through digital marketing. The beauty of digital marketing lies not only in its versatility, but also in its potential to generate income. Here are some ways you can monetize your digital marketing skills and expertise. Freelancing. Offer your digital marketing services such as SEO, social media management, content creation, or PPC advertising on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. Affiliate marketing. Promote other companies' products or services on your website, blog, or social media channels and earn a commission for every sale or lead generated through your referral link. Online courses and workshops. Share your knowledge and expertise by creating and selling online courses, webinars, or workshops on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Coursera. Blogging and content creation. Start a blog or YouTube channel to share valuable content, build an audience, and monetize through advertising, sponsored posts, affiliate links, or selling digital products. Digital marketing agency. If you have advanced skills and experience in digital marketing, consider starting your own agency. Offer comprehensive digital marketing services to clients, manage their campaigns, and build long-term partnerships. Digital marketing is a vast and ever-evolving field that offers numerous opportunities for earning money. Whether you're a freelancer, affiliate marketer, course creator, content creator, or agency owner. With dedication, continuous learning, creativity, and strategic implementation, success in the digital world is within reach for everyone. So, equip yourself with the necessary skills, explore the various avenues available, and embark on your journey to financial freedom through digital marketing. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next, leave a comment down below. Until